Hey guys, hope everyone's doing well out there, in pandemic land. I know we're kind of getting back to normal, so that's exciting. Hope everyone's out, able to get out and see some people they haven't seen in a while and, enjoy their lives again. But yeah, I just wanted to make a quick update video on the Sur-On. Well, not update, but just like a project video, I guess. I've been making videos on like different things that I use to upgrade the different bikes, the Monday Motor bikes, the Sur-On and everything. And one of the biggest things for me with the Sur-On is like how slippery the foot pegs are. When I go ride on trails, or if I go on the road and go off like curbs or over bigger potholes, things like that. If you're wearing like sneakers or something, then you're probably not going to be super stable on the stock foot pegs. They're kind of slippery. The little ridges and stuff, they don't provide a excuse me, they don't provide a whole lot of grip. I ordered these foot pegs from Spec Sur. I think I may have found something similar on Amazon, but that being said, I wanted the black ones, and I didn't see anything that was black on Amazon that didn't have a pretty long like shipment turnaround time. So I just went with the Spec ones. I believe they were like, I can't remember exactly how much these were. I believe they were like $55 or something. But they seem really good quality. I can already tell you from just like messing with them that the grip and stuff is a whole lot better. And as far as like the width and the size, it's going to be a lot better. I do want to show you guys once I get them on the bike, and once I get one of these foot pegs off, I'll kind of show them to compare, the size difference and everything. But overall, I do think that the foot pegs are something that are probably pretty necessary for most people to upgrade, just based on like how people ride these bikes. Even if you're on the street, it's just, especially if you're like doing wheelies, stuff like that, like these are substantially better. You're not gonna have to worry about losing your footing. At least it doesn't seem like that. So I'm gonna get these on the bike. I'll kind of show the install, and then I'll, like I said, I'll try to show the size differences and like a comparison between the two. If I have some time, which I probably will, I'm gonna try to get out, ride around, for a couple miles, see how they handle, jump off some curbs, like, be a little silly, and try to give you guys like an update on the difference that I noticed. But yeah, I'm gonna get these on the bike, give you guys a view, and see you next. Alright guys, I got the foot pegs off the stock ones. I got the new one that I'm about to put on. Really all that goes into this process is these like couple parts, this like bolt, this, this spring, and there's like a washer and a clip that just kind of hold everything on there. But anyways, process was straightforward getting them off. It may take like a bit of finagling. It wasn't hard, but it's just kind of like annoying, I guess. But regardless, here's the size difference in these foot pegs. You can see that the new ones are like, I don't know, maybe double the width of the original. So there's a lot more surface area there. The material feels better. It's got these grippy things. So regardless, here's these two foot pegs side by side, and I'm really excited to get these new ones on. So I'm gonna get back to that. And once they're on the bike, I'll kind of show you what that looks like in totality or whatever, All right, cool. Alright guys, we got those on. It was actually kind of easier than expected. It was pretty straightforward. There's a bunch of videos on YouTube, I guess, including this one at this point, that show you how to do it. But it's very straightforward. I feel like anyone can do this. Everything works well, everything fits well. You know, they are a lot bigger. They look a lot better on the bike itself. I got the both of them on. But yeah, I think they're gonna be great. I mean, I sat on it for a second and kind of felt how, you know, it gripped and everything, and it seems a lot better. I'm about to throw some sneakers on and go out on the street, see how it performs out there, and then I'll update you guys and see, you know, let you know what I think about these. Alright guys, we got the Vans on. I typically wear like kind of skate shoes or something like that when I'm riding my bike, so I know some people ride like with dirt bike boots or something when they're off-road, but you know, I'm just going to wear what I normally wear and see how it feels comparatively. Alright guys, so I have the Footpegs on. I've been riding around a little bit and it feels really good so far. I would say I'll probably move them forward a little bit, just for comfort, but as far as grip, I mean, you're just not coming off of these. I'm about to go off a curb real quick and see how that feels, but in general, it's so far just like riding my normal street riding and stuff, it feels like substantially better, like a necessary upgrade almost, you know. Yeah, I mean, like, you're just stuck to them, so, you know, thumbs up, great spec. I don't know, like I said, if you guys made these or if you guys have like a third party making them or whatever, but regardless, they turned out really well. They're perfect as far as fitment, using all the stock parts minus the foot pegs. They are super grippy, they are better looking, they give you a wider, you know, surface area to rest your feet on, so, you know, standing up, all of that stuff should be a whole lot better on trails. You know, I think they're a good option. Like I said, there's some other colors if you guys want to check those out, like a red, a blue, I think there's a green, but I really wanted the black. I thought about gold for a minute on my bike, but it really just, I thought it would look too tacky, too gaudy, you know. I didn't think it would be as sleek as the black looks, you know. But yeah, thumbs up race spec. Good job. Back from a ride. You know, it wasn't like a super long ride or anything, so time will tell if these like hold up as far as durability goes and everything, but I mean, as far as stability and you know, like I don't know, stability and like, you know, security, I guess, when you're riding, like these are substantially better. I mean, I don't feel like there's any slippage at all. Like when you put your foot on it, it's staying on there until you lift it vertically off. You know, it's not slipping forward or backwards. So, yeah, I would recommend these 100% as an upgrade. I don't care whether you ride it on the street, whether you ride it in the you know, off-road. These are 100% necessary. Like you never know when like a pothole might, you know, cause your foot to slip off and get like jammed up in front of the foot peg or something. You know, you just gotta, I don't know, take care of yourself when you're on something like this or when you're on these bikes and stuff. You know, you gotta think about your safety and stuff. So I think that these are definitely worthwhile. I'll put a link down in the description. They are from, like I said, Spec Sur. It's my first purchase, I believe, from them. Typically I buy from Luna Cycle, but I don't believe that they have like any alternative foot peg options. I believe you can probably find some, Footpegs on Amazon for a pretty good price. I think there's like a Suzuki model or something that fits the same, or maybe it's a Yamaha model, whatever. But regardless, there's like some type of foot peg that fits there. So if you want to dig around and try to see if you can find something a little more affordable, that I did the same. This is just what I settled on because of the color and knowing that it was going to fit. But yeah, I give this product a thumbs up for sure. Go check it out, and stay tuned for some more videos.